Assalamualaikum Tamjusam and Badakam. Okay, my name is Muhammad Shagisti. Before that, we want to thanks to Miss Paveethra to give us opportunities to presenting about our poster. Our poster is all about the role of public relation personnel. Before that, I want to introduce my team members. First, we got Shahira, and then we got Rita, Anissa, and Marhayu. Okay, we're going to straight about our introductions. Okay, introduction is all about public relations are among the those industries that have undergone major shift in the recent years. Thanks to the modern gadget improved connectivity and social media, and they're working in the public relation now as fashionable ever. Okay, did you know about public relation personnel? Okay, these are characteristics that may show to you guys what kind of rules in public worker. Alright, we continue to the next slide.
Number 1. Flexibility. It's difficult to come up with career that demands as much flexibility as public relation. Clients change their plan without notice and situation arise of the blue. In social media channel, for instance, a loosey post can bring down the entire ship. To be a good PR pro, you need to have the ability to handle whatever comes your way possible. 2. Meticulous learning. Becoming a well-rounded PR person is not work in the park. The climb to achieving consistently reliable and savvy reputation largely depends on your ability and willingness to learn.
3. Collecting information. A PR pro day job involves active interaction with the world and the people in it. They must therefore stay on top of everything that's happening, both in and out of their core section. Successful PR professionals know how to harness information from the news and current affairs and use it to craft ideas that keep them and their client fresh and update. 4. Seeing the bigger picture. The end goal of public relations is to put a business or an organization on the right path to success. While getting lost in the social realms of PR is easy, it is essential not to overlook the role you play in the company profitability. Before acting, a good PR pro will stop to think whether the desired result has any contribution to the bigger picture advancing the business.
5. Building relationships. Relationships are everything in PR. One of core purpose of the profession is establishing lasting connections with client and general public. Success in PR, therefore, inclines of our professional ability to maintain rapport and reach communication channels by cultivating quality conversations and nurturing personal relationships. As a PR pro working a brand, you must be responsive, helpful, and friendly to every inquirer. 6 is knowledge. You might survive in public relations by merely establishing strong relationships. But if you wish to make it out of the bullpen one day, start by getting conversant with your product and service. If you're working for a tech company, for example, make an effort to learn about the latest gadget on the market, the preference of customers, and the move that competitors are making. Thank you.
7. Strong writing. Although content development has taken a brander meaning lately, the foundation of public relations is still heavily reliant on the creative articulations of information. Above a French A writing skill a test for imperative in PR. With your college and client asking for anything from finely crafted press release to compelling blog posts, you should be able to convey your story and idea in the most creative, flawless, succinct, and accurate way. 8. Honesty. Strong writing is one thing, but to maintain a positive image, it is crucial that your reports remain clear and diverse at all times. Always ensure your statements address the station at hand in the best and most elaborate way, without covering up or sugar-coating anything. Great PR pros are never afraid to speak the truth. Thank you.